again, and welcome to my channel. For today's vlog, I will do another reaction video from Klava Koka, and this one is very new. It's very fresh. It was released today, a few hours ago, and the song's title is Kostёr. So I googled it because I don't know what it means in English, and I found out that Kostёr means bonfire. It is very romantic. Oh, bonfire! How wonderful it is to see it. You're in the wilderness and then you're sitting near the bonfire and watching the stars with your special someone. It's very romantic. It's my dream date. So, with no further ado, let's start. Kostёr. Kostёr, hindi Kostёr. Kostёr. Alright. So, this song is with HENSY. So, it's Klava Koka and HENSY's song. Let's start. Bam 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 bam. There we go.
Только костёр и тишина, руки мои.
Yeah, it's very romantic.
Все разбрелись.
Oh!
Паром домой.
Wow!
Останься со мной, я расскажу, о чем сердце.
It's a beautiful place.
Пьяный пацан, неисправим. У многих людей любовь взята
I
в
love
плен.
it.
А моя без тебя, ой, как болит.
Только
Beautiful.
костёр и тишина, руки мои греют тебя, все разбрелись по парам домой. Не уходи, останься со мной, я расскажу, о чем сердце стучит.
Why is he doing that? Wow, they have picked up the golden hour. It's very perfect for photography and videography. Wow, I love it. So he's in love with her? Yeah. Wow, I love the view, the scenery. It's perfect. So it's HENSY? Wow. The place is beautiful.
Я расскажу, о чем сердце стучит. Пьяный пацан, он ведь неисправим. У многих людей.
Wow, I can't say anything, but wow, it's beautiful. They change partners? And she's really beautiful.
Хотя оно так близко, с влюбленным взглядом с тобой рядом допивает виски. Скажи, что чувствуешь, я так хочу тебя сделать счастливым. Ты не пытаешься быть кем-то и говорить красиво. А хочешь помолчи, а хочешь потанцуем. Зачем мы развели костер, который вновь задуем? И тишина, руки мои греют тебя, все разбрелись по парам домой.
Only two pair of shoes left. They went out. Is it in Sochi? Rosa Hutor? I'm not sure. I haven't been there, but I saw some photos. Seems familiar to me. Oh, very romantic. Oh my god! They exchange partners. He's heartbroken, and she's heartbroken too. It's so beautiful! Now they're together. Alright. Oh, wonderful. They actually exchange their partners. That's very strange. I don't know why they do that, but it seems very crazy because you came there together with your friend and your boyfriend also their pair. And yeah, and then finally you lost your friend and your boyfriend because they became together, and then you left with your friend's boyfriend. I don't know, it's very crazy story. It's like how to say, roller coaster, but very beautiful. I mean, the music is like very sad, but it's very romantic. And the cinematography, wow, it's just wonderful. Anyway, I hope you like this video, and if so, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to. So, that's all for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Sayonara and peace out.